Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are first year computer engineering students of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under the project based learning 4, we have prepared a project on Morse code under the guidance of Professor Pushpamala Shinde ma'am. The main objective of our project is to encrypt and decrypt the Morse code using Python language. The encoding of Morse code is given below. At first, we extract each letter from the word and match with the Morse code dictionary, then we consider the corresponding letter to it. This is the working module of our project. The whole program is constructed using Python language in PyCharm. In this program, we can give the input as a text message and receive an output of a Morse code. Similarly, we can give an input of Morse code and receive a text message as its output. For example, if we give an input of text message as hello world, we would receive its Morse code. And if we give input of Morse code of hello world, we can get the text message as hello world. Morse code is a method used in telecommunication to encode text character as standardized sequence of two different signal duration called dots and dashes. Thank you Zeal for providing us the guidance for successfully completing this project. I hope you liked our project. Thank you very much.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.